Now I would like to teach you today about the minute differences. Now I hope all of you know about the clauses such as relative, adjectives and adverbial clauses. Mainly it is the division, these are the divisions of subordinate clauses and you know well. And now I would like to make you know about the minute differences between the relative clauses and also the noun clauses. Now consider one example and try to understand. Now consider the example 1. I know the place where Rabindranath was born. Can you guess what type of this clause? I know the place where Rabindranath was born. And now, number 2, I know where Rabindranath was born. What's the difference between the two sentences? Can you guess? Now notice that I know the place where Rabindranath was born. It is the relative clause, as the subordinate clause here, the noun place has been qualified. So which clauses qualify, which clause qualifies the noun or pronoun? Just like as an adjective, and you know well that the another names of relative clause is adjective clause. So it is the example of adjective clause, okay, or relative clause. But I know where Rabindranath was born. This is very, very, very important to know that. Notice carefully. I know where Rabindranath was born. Here the subordinate clause where Rabindranath was born does not qualify noun or pronoun and does not act as an adjective clause or relative clause. Hence, you have to say that it is the example of noun clause. Okay, it is adjective clause. Now Rudra, hope you will understand that. And you have been able to understand what is the minute differences between noun clause and adjective clauses. Okay, adjective clause, relative clause, it qualifies the noun. But the noun clause does not qualify noun or pronoun. Okay, so the same meaning of two sentences, I know the place where Rabindranath was born and I know where Rabindranath was born, there is a minor difference between the two sentences. Here you notice that the noun place has been qualified by the subordinate clause. And here where Rabindranath was born does not qualify noun or pronoun. So it is not an adjective clause. Okay. Now stop for the day. Okay. Thanks.